Hi, good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Today we will start a new block. The name of our new block is We Are Different. What is the name of our new block? The sixth block. We are different. Are we all looking same? No, we all are different. Our color is different. Size of body parts are different. So, all the things are different, right? Now, we are going to discuss the first lesson, parts of my body. Parts of my body. In this lesson, we will identify the most external parts of our body. Children, I am going to sing a song. That song will help you to review the parts of our body. Okay. Will you sing with me? If you are ready to sing with me, madam will sing a song for you. Okay, this song may be very familiar for you. You may study this rhyme from your KG classes. Okay, sing with me, children. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, Can we sing once again? Okay. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, Have you enjoyed? Then while singing this song, which parts did you touch, my dear children? Yes, we touch head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. So this song is very helpful for us to study the body parts. From the rhyme, we already learned the parts like head, shoulders, knees and toes. Which are the other parts of our body, children? From KG classes, you already learned about sense organs. Which are the sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? In this lesson, we don't have sense organs to study. But I am asking, which are the sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Yes. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Right. So, we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes. What is the use of eyes? Eyes to see. Then nose to smell. Ears. Very good. Ears to hear the sound. Then tongue. Tongue to taste. Then skin. What is the use of skin? Skin is to feel. Okay. Very good, children. You know, you didn't forget anything. Then let's answer, what are the other body parts? Look at the picture, all of you. What is this? This is neck, then mouth, head, then face. Then which part is this? Hand, palm, elbow. This is elbow. Okay, ELBO. W. Carefully look at the spelling too. Okay. Fingers, leg, feet, hip, thighs, toes, ankle. Okay. Out of these body parts, some smaller parts together form a bigger body part. Okay. Some smaller parts together form a bigger body part. For an example, our arm is a bigger body part, right? Our arm is a bigger body part. So, our arm consists of many small parts like shoulder, elbow and hand. Okay, our arm is made of smaller parts like a shoulder, elbow and hand. Okay, this is our arm. Understood? Like arm, our face is another example. Face consists of many smaller parts like eyes, nose, lip, ears, chin, right? Eyes, nose, ears, mouth, head makes our face. The smaller parts make a bigger body part. Okay. Now children, you just try to label the parts in your workbook. Okay, in S1. The names of body parts are given in one side. So you have to write the names of body parts in the correct space. This is the correct order of body parts which you need to write. Children, have you completed workbook S1? Yes, you can complete it with the help of your parents. Okay. Children, do you see my puppet? Do you see my puppet? Children, do you see my puppet? Its name is Tito. What is its name? Tito. You can call him Tito. Okay. Then only he will respond. Tito will ask you to do some actions. He will ask you to do some actions. When I say Tito says, you will have to do the action. Will you do that? Ready, children? Okay then. Tito says, clap your hands. Tito says, clap your hands. Clap all of you children. Yeah, very good. Then the next action. Tito says, nod your head. Tito says, nod your head. Nod your head like this. Okay, the next action. Tito says, clap your hands. Tito says, clap your hands. Clap all of you. Yeah, very good. Then the next action. Tito says, nod your head. Nod your head. Nod your head. Very good, very good. Then the next action. Tito says, listen to me. Listen to me. Very good. Tito says, jump up high. Jump up high. Good. Tito says, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Very good. Have you enjoyed? Have you enjoyed, children? Now Tito is also very happy. Tito, just say thanks to them. He is saying thanks to you. Okay. Tell me, children, which body parts did you use while nodding your head? Neck. We use our head and neck while nodding our head. Then what was the next activity? When Tito said, listen to me, which body part help you to listen my voice? Yeah, it is our ears. Our ears helps to hear the voice. Then while jumping, which part help you touch that body part? Which part help you to jump? Yes, it is our legs. Now we will find out the body parts which we used to do for an activity. Okay. Activity number 1. Running. While running, which are the parts we are using? While running, we use our legs, then knees and foot. We use our legs, knees and foot. Okay. Then the next activity, clapping. While clapping, which are the parts I am using while clapping, children? Yes, I am using my hands. I am using my hands, fingers, right? Then while eating, we are using our hand. Hand we need, no? Yes, we need a hand. Then eyes. Eyes also we are using because we need to see the food, right? Then hand, eyes and mouth. Then children, while reading a book, which are the parts I am using? I am reading now. So tell me which are the parts I am using now? Yes, I am using my hands to hold the book. Then I want to see the letters written in the notebook, right? So which part I am using to see the letters? Yes, I am using my eyes also. I am using both my hands and eyes to read a book. So activity reading need two parts. Which are they? Hands and eyes. So now you are able to identify the parts which we are using to do a particular activity, right? In short, more than one body parts we will use to do an activity. All the parts, whatever it is, every part in our body help in doing different things. Then children, shall we finish our workbook now? First of all, you have to write the date on the top, then try to read the heading. BODY. How to read? Body. Then movements. Movements. Body movements. Okay. Then in the first column we can see some pictures. Are you able to identify the pictures? Yeah. First example is done already for you. Yes, we need to write the activity in the next column, and on the last column we have to write the body parts used to do the activity. Okay. Then what is the first activity? Yes. What activity is that? Yes, she is swimming in the water. Swimming. The first activity is swimming. Okay. So in activity column we can write swimming, and on the next column we need to write the parts used to do the activity. Okay, actually swimming requires all the parts, right? We need almost all the parts while swimming. Okay, which are the parts we are using? We need our hands, we need our eyes, legs, right? Then the next activity is riding bicycle. Next activity is riding bicycle. Now you can write the body parts also. Write the body parts used for riding bicycle. Then what is she doing? She is singing a beautiful song. She is singing a beautiful song. While singing, which are the parts we need? Write it there. Okay. Then the last activity is, what is she doing? She is skipping. She is skipping. So which are the parts needed for skipping? Right there. Then the second question, complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. I will read the sentence, then you will get some ideas. Okay. Yes. If I don't have a hand, I would not be able to dash. You can write any activity that we are doing with our hands. We are doing many activities using our hands, right? So you can write any one of that activity there. Okay, one only here asked. Then in the second question you need to write both body part and activity. Okay. Okay, you can write any one of the body part there and also the activity we are doing with that part. The question I will read for you. If I did not have a dash, there you have to write the name of one body part. Okay. Then if I did not have a dash, I won't be able to dash. I won't be able to do dash. the activity we are doing with that specific part. Okay, then write the answers, all of you. Complete S1 and S2. If you have any doubt while writing the answers, you can ask me. Okay, you must read content book, then study well, concentrate on the keywords, stay safe. Thank you.